Have you ever woken up in the morning and just sat there on the edge of the bed, trying to summon the strength to stand up? Your legs feel a little weaker than they did last month. Your arms take a bit more effort to lift. You walk a little slower, not because of pain, but because your body simply doesn't feel as strong as it used to. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. After the age of 60, it's completely normal to experience a gradual decline in muscle strength. But here's what many people don't realize. This muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, isn't just about aging. It's also about what we do, or don't do, to support our bodies along the way. Now here's something that might surprise you. Your muscles don't just grow or stay strong based on what you do during the day. In fact, your body does its most important work at night while you sleep. That's when it rebuilds, repairs, and restores your muscle tissue. But it can only do that if it has the right building blocks, and those building blocks come from food. Not just any food, but the right kind of gentle, nourishing bedtime foods that work quietly while you rest. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 4 powerful natural bedtime foods that can help you fight muscle loss, restore your strength, and wake up feeling more confident in your body. One peaceful night at a time. And the last food? Just 1 spoonful before bed, but the impact it can have on your muscles might truly surprise you. Stay with me until the end. Before we dive in, if you're curious about simple, effective ways to stay strong while you sleep, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and tell us in the comments. Have you ever tried a bedtime snack that actually helped you feel better in the morning? I'd love to hear about your experience. Let's begin with something gentle, something green, fuzzy on the outside, sweet and tangy on the inside. The humble kiwi. You might think of kiwi as a refreshing summer snack or something you toss into a fruit salad. But here's what many people don't know. This little fruit is a quiet hero when it comes to sleep and recovery, especially if you enjoy it at night. So what makes kiwi so special? For starters, kiwi is one of the few fruits that naturally contains melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain that it's time to sleep. While many people take melatonin supplements, kiwi offers a gentle food-based version that your body can absorb and use more naturally. Studies have shown that eating kiwi before bed can improve both the quality and duration of sleep, especially in older adults. And that's important, because deeper, more restful sleep is when your body does its most important muscle repair work. While you're dreaming, your body is busy restoring worn-out tissues, balancing hormones, and rebuilding strength. But that only happens if you reach those deeper stages of sleep. Kiwi helps unlock that door. Beyond melatonin, kiwi is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. Why does that matter? Because as we age, our muscles become more prone to inflammation and oxidative stress. That's what causes stiffness, soreness, and that general feeling of being slowed down. Antioxidants help sweep away that damage so your muscle cells can focus on recovery instead of constant repair. Kiwi is also a great source of potassium, which supports proper muscle contractions and helps prevent nighttime leg cramps. If you've ever woken up with one of those sharp, stabbing calf cramps at 2 a.m., you know how valuable that can be. And here's the part seniors love the most. Kiwi is easy to digest and doesn't spike your blood sugar. Even though it tastes sweet, it has a low glycemic index, making it safe for people managing diabetes or watching their insulin levels. It's also naturally low in sodium, which is ideal for anyone dealing with high blood pressure. So what's the best way to enjoy it? Just peel 2 ripe kiwis about an hour before bed. Eat them slowly, maybe while you unwind with a quiet book or some soft music. It's a small ritual, but one that sends a powerful message to your body. Rest is coming. Healing is coming. Of course, as with anything, listen to your body. A few people may experience mild stomach upset if they're sensitive to fruit acids or have existing digestive conditions. But for most people, kiwi is gentle, calming, and even soothing. We've just explored the quiet power of kiwi, a gentle way to slip into better sleep and support muscle recovery. Now, let's turn to something a little more familiar. Something we've all cracked open at some point. Perhaps with toast in the morning or tucked into a family recipe. Let's talk about eggs. You might be thinking, eggs before bed? It's true, most of us think of eggs as a breakfast staple. But here's the surprising part. An egg before bed can do something pretty remarkable for your body while you sleep. Especially if you're over 60 and trying to preserve your strength, balance, and muscle tone. What makes eggs so powerful isn't just that they're rich in protein, though they certainly are. Eggs offer what nutrition experts call a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair. They're especially high in leucine, that all-important amino acid that actually activates muscle protein synthesis. That's a fancy way of saying, when you eat eggs, your body gets a very clear message: hey, it's time to rebuild. Now here's where it gets interesting for seniors. Eating a high-quality protein like eggs before bed ensures that your body has the right tools to repair and rebuild muscles while you sleep. During the night, your body enters a fasting state. Without a good protein source in the system, your muscles may begin to break down for energy, especially as you age. But with a slow-digesting protein like an egg, your muscles stay protected. And don't worry about cholesterol. Recent research has shown that for most healthy adults, eating eggs in moderation does not negatively affect heart health. In fact, eggs also provide nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and selenium, all essential for maintaining energy and muscle metabolism. To enjoy the benefits, try a soft boiled or poached egg about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Pair it with a few slices of avocado or a small piece of whole grain toast if you prefer. It's a simple snack, but one that delivers powerful nighttime support. Let's move on to a warm, soothing option that might already be a staple in your kitchen. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into your bloodstream throughout the night. That means while you sleep your muscles are being fed, steadily and gently. Even better? Cottage cheese contains tryptophan, an amino acid that supports the production of serotonin and melatonin, both of which help you relax and fall into deeper, more restful sleep. And here's a tip: top your cottage cheese with a few slices of banana or berries. You get a boost of potassium and antioxidants to reduce inflammation and support muscle health. If you're worried about lactose intolerance, look for lactose-free or probiotic-rich varieties. They're easier on digestion and may even support your gut health. And now, the final food, and just one spoonful can nourish your muscles in ways most people never expect. Number 1 food: raw honey. That's right, raw unprocessed honey. Just 1 teaspoon before bed can make a difference. You see, when you sleep, your body needs a small steady supply of glucose to fuel the brain and help the liver release growth hormone, a hormone that plays a crucial role in tissue repair and muscle maintenance. Raw honey provides just the right amount of natural sugar to keep that process going without spiking your blood sugar. It also helps maintain stable liver glycogen levels, which supports overnight recovery. But that's not all. Raw honey contains trace enzymes and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support cellular repair. Plus, it helps regulate blood sugar and insulin, important for anyone managing diabetes or prediabetes. For the best effect, take a teaspoon of raw honey straight or stir it into a cup of chamomile or ginger tea about 30 minutes before bed. It creates a calming ritual that not only helps you relax but also feeds your body what it needs to rebuild muscle tissue overnight. Just make sure it's raw organic honey, not the ultra-processed stuff in plastic bears. You want the enzymes and nutrients intact. To recap, eat 2 ripe kiwis an hour before bed for deeper sleep and muscle recovery. Enjoy 1 soft-boiled egg for complete protein and strength maintenance. Try half a cup of cottage cheese for slow-release casein and muscle support. Take 1 teaspoon of raw honey to fuel overnight repair and support your hormones. These are small changes, but for seniors trying to preserve strength and independence, they can make a world of difference, 1 peaceful night at a time. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let us know in the comments which bedtime food you're going to try first, or if you have a favorite nighttime snack that helps you wake up stronger. Until next time, sleep deeply, eat kindly, and wake up stronger.